morning children. Welcome to today's math class. In previous class, you learned formation of 3 table. Now I am going to show you formation of 4 table. See here Sonu, Monu, Chintu, Mintu are good friends. One day, their teacher explained about Mother Teresa. Children, do you know Mother Teresa? Okay, fine. She is the noble woman helped the people who are in need. After listening the story of Mother Teresa, Sonu, Monu, Chintu, Mintu got inspired, and they want to help the people who are in need. That evening, all the 4 friends purchased 4 piggy banks. And they strongly decided that they should drop 1 rupee coin every day into the piggy bank. And also they want to open the piggy bank after 10 days. Let us see how much money is saved by these friends. The day they purchased these piggy banks. See children, how many piggy banks are there? It's right. That is 4 piggy banks are there. See here, that day they do not have any money. So, these 4 piggy banks are empty. Empty means, how many coins are there? Empty means 0 number of coins. See here, how many zeros are there? 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 4 zeros. So total how many coins? 0 number of coins. So how many times 0 is repeated? 4 times. 4 times 0 is repeated. 4 times 0. 4 times 0 we write as 4 zeros. 4 zeros total 0. 4 zeros 0. 4 zeros 0. Next day they dropped one coin into their piggy banks. Now see here, each piggy bank has one coin. 1 coin plus 1 coin plus 1 coin plus 1 coin. 4 times 1. So total how many coins are there? 4 coins. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 times 1 we write as 4 into 1. 4 ones. 4 ones 4. 4 ones 4. Second day, again they added 1 rupee coin into their piggy banks. 1 rupee coin into their piggy banks. Sonu added 1 rupee, Monu added 1 rupee. Next, Chintu added 1 rupee and Mintu added 1 rupee. See here. So each piggy bank has 2 coins. Now each piggy bank has 2 coins. See here, 2 coins plus 2 coins plus 2 coins plus 2 coins. Total how many 1 rupee coins? 8 1 rupee coins. Total 8 1 rupee coins. So here see, how many times 2 is repeated? 4 times. 4 times 2 is repeated. 4 times 2 is repeated. So 4 times 2 is repeated, we write as 4 twos. 4 twos 8. 4 twos 8. Next third day they dropped 1 rupee into their piggy banks. Now let us see here. Each piggy bank has 3 coins. 3 coins plus 3 coins plus 3 coins plus 3 coins. Total how many 1 rupee coins? Total 12 1 rupee coins. Total 12 1 rupee coins. How many times 3 is repeated? It's very good. 4 times 3 is repeated. So 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So we write as 4 threes. 4 threes 12. 4 threes 12. 4 threes 12. Next fourth day. See, fourth day. How many coins they collected? In each piggy bank has 4 coins. 4 coins plus 4 coins plus 4 coins plus 4 coins. Total how many 1 rupee coins? Yes, that is 16 1 rupee coins. See here, how many times 4 is repeated? Yes, right. That is 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. We write as 4 fours. 4 fours, 16. 4 fours, 16. On 5th day, they collected 5 coins in each piggy bank. See here, 5 coins plus 5 coins plus 5 coins plus 5 coins. Total 20 coins. See here, how many times 5 is repeated? 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Now, how we write as 4 times 20? 4 5s 20. 4 5s 20. On 6th day, each piggy bank has 6 coins. 6 coins plus 6 coins plus 6 coins plus 6 coins. Total 24 coins. Total 24 coins. How many times 6 is repeated? Yes, very good. 4 times 6 is repeated. 4 6s. 4 6s 24. Now, let us see here. In each piggy bank has 7 coins. 7 coins plus 7 coins plus 7 coins plus 7 coins. Total 28 1 rupee coins. Total 28 1 rupee coins. Let us see here. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. So, 4 times 7 is 28. We write as 4 sevens. 4 sevens 28. 4 sevens 28. Next, 8th day. The collection of piggy banks. See here. Each piggy bank has 8 coins. 8 coins plus 8 coins plus 8 coins plus 8 coins. So, total 32 coins. So, how many times 8 is repeated? 4 times. 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. So, how can we write as 4 times 8 is 32? 4 8s 32. 4 8s 32. Next day. Next day, they dropped one coin into their piggy banks. One coin into their piggy banks. See here. In each piggy bank has 9 coins. 9 coins plus 9 coins plus 9 coins plus 9 coins. Total? Yes, very good. Total 36 coins. See here. Here 9 is repeated 4 times. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. So we write as 4 9s 36. 4 9s 36. Last day. In each piggy bank has 10 coins. 10 coins plus 10 coins plus 10 coins plus 10 coins. Total 41 rupee coins. How many times 10 is repeated? 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 10 is 40. So we write as 4 tens 40. 4 tens 40. At last, they saved total 40 rupees altogether. With that 40 rupees, they purchased some bread and distributed among to the people who are needed. Children, can we revise the table? See here, 4 zeros, 0. 4 zeros, 0. 4 ones, 4. 4 ones, 4. 4 twos, 8. 4 twos, 8. 4 threes, 12. 4 threes, 12. 4 fours, 16. 4 fours, 16. 4 fives, 20. 4 fives, 20. 4 six, 24. 4 six, 24. 4 sevens, 28. 4 sevens, 28. 4 8s 32. 4 8s 32. 4 9s 36. 4 9s 36. 4 10s 40. 4 10s 40.